Hey guys, this is going to be a program I need you to do just in case your computer. Now, I'll be honest with you, some of you guys won't be able to run this program because of the virus will stop you from any kind of internet access. But for those of you guys who can install it, this is a program called Teamviewer. It's going to allow me to remotely control your computer. That way I can, look inside your system and see what's going on. Basically get an idea of how bad the virus is and control your computer. First thing you want to do is open up your browser, and you want to go to the www.teamviewer.com. At that page, there's going to be a little green clicker that you can click on, and it's going to start your install of the TeamViewer. Once you click on that, it's going to start, and the first thing that's going to pop up is going to ask you to run it or install it, or run it or save it. You actually just go ahead and run it. Now this is for Internet Explorer. Now if it's Firefox, it's a little bit different, so I do suggest using Internet Explorer just for this purpose. Firefox, you're just going to have to, it's just a little bit harder, so let's try to use Internet Explorer just for this install, and then you can go back to your Firefox. Okay, once you did that, that should take you to the TeamViewer 7 setup install program. There you want to click on the install instead of the run. The install basically is going to allow you where you don't have to, it's going to install to your system where you don't have to do this whole install again. So go ahead and click on install, then click the next. Alright, at this point what I need you to do on personal and non-commercial use, go ahead and click the next. Go ahead and accept agreements on both of these. On this, you want to go ahead and hit the default. Do you later want your remote access computer or installing TeamViewer on at the moment? Yeah, right now we're just going to go ahead and go with the default. This is fine. Now if you're using a firewall, your firewall will pop up. Go ahead and allow it. Let it remember the settings. And that should pop up the TeamViewer application. This is where I'll be asking you for your ID and password. And that will be right here in these two sections. The first thing I'll be asking is your ID, which you would give me the ID. And then after that, a password will pop up and you give me that. This is where I'm going to actually have control of your computer, and this is where I'm going to be going into your system and finding out what's wrong, how serious the virus is, if you have a virus or rogue, whatever the case may be. And that's basically it. This is the install of TeamViewer, and this is one of the really good applications that I need to